Hi everyone, it's JeanneMarie with Artistic Pours and More, and today what I'm doing is giving you a tour of my little, very crowded art nook. I'm going to start on this side. I have some pictures. These three are Kari from Kari's Chaotic Creations, and that one's Brooks from Brooke G Artistry. And then here I have Brittany from Brittany Guntner with Everyday Art with Brittany Guntner, or by Brittany Guntner. And here is one of mine that I did. And then here is Alan Welch's that I got on the auction from Christina and Alan. So that door goes down to the hallway and a bathroom. This is the door I come into from out there. And here, I'm going to try to show you. It's not real light in here. This is basically a lot of jewelry stuff in here. And jewelry tools and so forth. And right here, I have my embossing and my glitters. And here you can see I have a lot of storage containers on both sides and on top of everything because I don't have a lot of room. And then here I keep my wood pieces and different things in there. And here's a project I'm working on, or a Halloween or fall card. And this is just where I keep some of my stuff that's handy to my desk. And here I keep my what do you call it, crafting and so forth. And there's some of my geode stuff. And over here in the back I have got boxes. You could probably see them back there, but the paintings, there's a lot of paintings in those boxes laying sideways and with wax paper in between them. And then here, more. Some things I'm working on, some things I'm done with. And then here, I have this little rack with coasters. And same here, got these boxes with coasters. There's more down there. And what else? I got some, let's see, neon paints back there. Pearl Essence here, and folk art color shift back there. So let's go this way. And over here I've got some canvases up here, and then down in there I've got a pile, some more jewelry stuff in here, and I have a lot of crafting stuff over here as well, and projects I'm working on. A couple things of jewelry items. I have my glass jars here, and some more things back there. You probably can't see them, that I'm working on, that I will be working on if I haven't started already. More jewelry totes. I used to be really made a lot of jewelry. There's my shells and my sort of packing station there, and my Cricut. And then I have in here my stencils and my vinyls and different things like that, and my things that I'm working on here. And let's see, my laptop here. So we came around here, now we're coming out. There's the curtain that goes out to the green pole. And then here's where I work on do my crafting and my painting. I don't really call it work because I enjoy it so much. I don't know why I call it work. But on the right, I have all my necessities at my hands, you know, within reach, really, so easy. My base paints, my Payne's gray, my black and my white, the stirring sticks, and all kinds of different things that you need. My gloves and such, cups. Then I got my metallics over here. And some more colors that I love right there. And scissors, and there's Tammy's face back there. And then some more of the things here that I use. and my picture. And here's where I keep my airbrush, so I could just plug it in down here. And other things that reach. And here's one of my other pictures. Let me show you what I keep under the desk. For tools that I might be using. And then on this side, underneath, I got a lot of stuff too. You know, this whole box down here is just full of my gadgets to pour paint with. Like here's that strainer. And here I keep all the extra little kits, starting kits that I give away sometimes. And you see I have paint there, there, down here, back there. Beautiful coasters and more paints. And I guess that's about it. I've got some other paint over there. And that's where right up there is where I put my phone to shine down here. This is all the lighting that I have for it. And that little fan is what keeps me halfway cool in here. And that might be the humming you hear in the background. So this is my little corner. I'm gonna call it my art nook and art and craft painting nook. It's so loaded with everything that you can't move real good. You have one way in, you go that way, it goes to that door, down here, here, whoop, whoop, and then over here to the desk, and that's it. So, got a lot of things here, all tucked away in all my little storage bins, but that was my tour of my very crowded art, painting / craft room. I like my area here, but I just wish I had a little bit more room. So I hope you enjoyed the tour. If you have any questions, just leave me a comment down below. Thank you for joining me, and God bless, be safe, and be happy. We'll see you soon. Bye-bye.